So in this tutorial we are going to look into Xcode Color Asset. We will create a new project, select iOS application as a target. We will give a name sample, and then we will move to the asset folder and create a color asset to know how its content input type is and how it is saved in the directory. So we will first name one as a white and black. We will try to use any light dark mode one so that we can see in the JSON file how it's stored. We will add colors. Here the input type is 8-bit hexadecimal. Similarly, we will create a folder so that while we write the script, it should also navigate through inside the folders. So yeah, here we will choose a blue color, blue and green. Again, we will use a different input type here. Also, we can choose from the system colors, but if you go to the JSON file, there is no what do you say, no hexadecimal code or no floating point code to convert it back to the color codes for a later use. So that will so this type of color can't be converted by our script if we write any script to fetch all the colors inside the asset folders. So yeah, keep in mind that. So here we use the floating point one for one of this. Similarly, we will create one more. Again, we will select different input methods here. Yeah. Now let's go to the Visual Studio Code open and open this asset folder inside a Finder. And we have kept one system colors also so that you can look into it how it's looking in the JSON. So let's open the Visual Studio Code. So I have already dragged and dropped the JSON folder. I will do it again for your convenience. So yeah, now if you see all the content where the dot color asset is used, there inside there you will find a content JSONs. We will write a script that will only navigate inside color.assets and read only that content JSON and try to decrypt the colors from this uh, what we call components. Here you can see we have appearance, dark, value. We can see different type of inputs. This one is float, this one is hexadecimal, and remember alpha will always be in the float. Here again it's in the floating point numbers, which is from 0 to 1. Yeah, 0 to 1 floating point numbers.